Hey guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Venalisa crystal gel kit. I got it from AliExpress. I'll try to put a link in the description box. This is kit AU33. This particular kit has color R21, R05, R04 and R20. The inside of the top plate contains the instruction on how to use the gel kit. So back to the kit. This kit contains almost all you need. In fact, all you need to work with this gel kit, Polygel kit. I'm going to start with the brush. This kit contains the standard spatula for the Polygel kit. On one end is the spatula and the other end is the brush. Then we have the customized nail file, 100 to 180 grits. So we also have the slip solution. I think it's about 75 mils. Then we have a tempered top coat, the 15 mil top coat, and that's big enough for this kit, followed by a 15 mil base coat. There's also a set of 100 pieces nail tips or dual nail forms. I've bought something like this from Venalisa too as well, from AliExpress, and it wasn't like this. This is a better dual form than the previous one I got from them. I think it's an improvement of the one they had before, because this is actually very soft, it's bendable. When I place this on my natural nails, I noticed there's a way it lays very well on the natural nails than the one I had before. So I prefer this all the way. Beneath the nail tips are two pots of nail gems. One is gold with some pearls, and the other one is just some silver glitters. Then we go to the crystal gel, the Polygel. So this is the first one, the R21. I think it's a nudish brown color. Then we have the R05, which is an opaque pinkish color. We have the R04, which is a transparent, like pinkish purple color. So we have the last Polygel in this kit, and it's the R20. I know it's like a plum-like color, and it is opaque. So because I didn't have any white polygel, I decided to buy one. So I got this R02, just a single one, not a kit. Now I got R02, which is the white color. So I'll be inserting a picture of the nail I made with the R21 and R02 somewhere here, so you can see what they look like. So the best thing after acrylic is polygel. Honestly, I just love working with polygel, and I can't wait to get more colors and to do more designs with this one I just got. So if you're still watching and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I think it's time to do so. Just click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'll be putting a sample of the colors on this white card, cure them to see what they look like before curing and after curing, if their colors are being maintained even after curing, because some polygel do not maintain their initial color after curing. So they all maintain their colors even after curing. The color did not change. So that's a good one, that's a plus. Thanks for watching, guys. Watch this space for more of my work with polygel. Till next time, bye.